Right, take 3 now. So I've got him in stitches. Tay here from DR Property Guys.
Phil, how are you doing?
We are on a mini staycation, and what we mean by staycation is we are going to spend one night in a local hotel or resort. It's called, what's it called, the place we're going to?
Glamping, Cabarete glamping, in those air bubble things.
Bubble glamping, one night only. We've booked separate rooms. Probably, I'd say the most expensive, one of the most expensive hotel rooms I'm ever going to stay in.
Not cheap.
And that's in low season, but we are on our way there now, and we're going to let you see what it's like living in a bubble. That's a song, isn't it? Oh no, it's living in a box.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we get Phil on the guitar with a new song, "Living in a Bubble." Right. That's it. We'll see you in a minute. Mosquitoes, aliens, frogs, donkeys, pigs. There's a rabbit, gort, ducks.
It's one of those caswaris.
Caswaris.
The most dangerous bird in the world.
Really?
Yeah.
So here we are in the reception.
Yeah, it's quite nice, look. Rabbit here.
Look at him. He's just chilling. He's good. Little welcome cocktail.
That's nice, that is. Very tasty.
A lot of rabbits around here, though. I guess they really do multiply like rabbits. Okay, tú me decías entonces que.
Bueno, esta es la bienvenida a Greenland. Aquí tenemos lo que es la fruta milagrosa o baya milagrosa. Vamos a ver por qué le dicen fruta milagrosa. Pueden tomar un pedacito de limón, cada
lemon.
uno.
All right, there we go. A bit of lemon.
Señor. Pueden probarlo para que vean que el limón no tiene nada, está totalmente natural.
¿Tú quieres que yo me lo coma
Sí,
esto?
pruébenlo para que vean que bien, está agrio, ácido, normal, no está adulterado, está 100% normal. Perfecto. Ahora pueden tomar una frutita, caballero. Ahora desgusten la frutita, no la mastiquen, solamente chúpenla como si fuera un caramelo. Le pueden comer toda la pulpita, excepto masticar la semilla. Bien.
Give us a bounty bar, mate.
Un poquito dulce.
That's gone off anyway.
No, it's still on.
Listo.
Well, it's not working for me.
I don't know.
I remember that, ¿no?
You'll have to do better miracles.
Cuando terminen de degustarla, pueden colocar la semillita aquí de vuelta.
¿Pero a qué se supone que debe?
Puede quedarse con el limón. El limón nuevamente. Entonces la semillita acá.
¿Pero qué se supone que debe?
Vamos a ver.
Oh.
Entonces, ahora pueden probar el limón nuevamente.
Oh.
¿Cómo lo sienten ahora?
Tastes like grapefruit. Sabe a toronja.
Bien, cambió el sabor del limón. Ahora sabe un poquito
Pero no
más.
tanto, eh.
It's more bitter now, though. Más amargo ahora.
I don't know.
Yeah.
El sabor del limón cambia. Esto es porque la frutita estaba un poquito fría y el efecto no fue inmediato.
You need to walk on water to make up for that miracle.
Pero lo que hace la función de esta frutita es que inhibir el paladar. Todo lo que ustedes consuman de aquí en adelante durante 20 o 30 minutos tendrá un sabor más dulce.
Pues vamos a comenzar con una cerveza.
Okay.
Allá en la burbuja.
Exactamente.
Vamos para allá.
Tendrá un sabor más dulce. Esta fruta normalmente la utilizan los diabéticos. Usted sabe que los diabéticos pueden ingerir mucha azúcar. Entonces se toman una frutita de esta y luego disfrutan de cualquier cosa y les sabrá un sabor.
You should get on that because you like sugar.
Yeah, I do.
I don't. All right.
Entonces,
Let's go.
tenemos la Lotus para el señor
Lotus.
Thailand.
All right. Very nice garden. Very nice garden. After you then.
Gracias. Tenemos un hermoso entorno alrededor de la Lotus. De igual manera, acá tienen un pequeño este lugar para si desean no salir de la burbuja, estar acá, pueden utilizarlo para cenar o desayunar.
Right.
Aquí le traemos su desayuno y su cena.
Lovely.
También tienen acá un pequeño lago.
Oh.
Parte de la experiencia en su burbuja y también un lugar donde pueden recrearse.
All right.
Eso es el nombre de la burbuja Lotus. Bien.
Now I want to go inside and see what that's all about.
Vamos a ver su burbuja adentro cuando tienen visita.
Nice. I don't know what they are.
Bien.
Hmm.
Esta parte para que procedamos a abrir su burbuja.
Thank you.
Esta parte, señor, para abrir la puerta. Exacto. Después de ustedes.
Oh, it's cold in
Una
here.
notita muy importante, nunca debemos abrir las dos puertas al mismo tiempo.
Porque se va el aire.
Se escapa el aire, la burbuja trabaja con aire y se escaparía. Bien.
Whoa. Whoa. This is freaky, yo. What is going on here? Look at this. That's pretty nice, though, isn't it?
Su burbuja.
Wow.
Siéntanse como en su casa. El baño tiene las respectivas patas si desean algún tipo de masaje en el spa. La burbuja también tiene aire acondicionado. La temperatura ahora mismo está con el 24, así está excelente. Pues más tarde, cuando la temperatura afuera vaya menguando, el frío.
So we didn't get that on camera, but as the gentleman was telling us, it's a two-door system and you can't open both doors at the same time. Well, I guess somebody wasn't paying much attention. Oh, this is hilarious.
Papyrus.
Which means paper in Egyptian, did you know? Remember, Phil, one door at a time. No two doors can be open simultaneously.
Exactamente.
There we go.
Después de
Thank
ustedes.
you. Ready, Captain?
Pueden levantar un poquito y empujar.
Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, mate.
Burbuja.
Yeah, mate.
La Papyrus tiene todo lo que tiene la Lotus en el interior, aire acondicionado, sus patas. Bueno, la bañera cambia y es un poco diferente. La bañera.
Sì, se conduce.
Nice detail on the bathroom here. I think they're very pleasant, aren't they?
Bueno, esto que tenemos acá es el cover. Lo utilizamos para cubrir mayormente y proteger la burbuja y a ustedes de los rayos del sol. Más tarde, dentro como las 5 o las 6, estaremos pasando a retirarlo.
Here we are at the top of the Saman area of the Green Bubble Glamping place. Unfortunately, the table is a little bit short, so I don't know how I'm going to fit under there. But we have brought a couple of beverages to consume while we're up here. Fantastic. Actually quite good weather right now, isn't it? It's kind of cooler.
Well, not a cloud. Well,
Not a cloud. Look at the sky. It might be full of them.
sky.
There's a few clouds.
As there is over there.
It's nice and cool. And we've got this fantastic view that we can sort of
Very green mountains look over
Enjoy.
there. Mountain ridges.
I think that's it's
very
actually
pretty.
It's quite cool because my bubble is over there, that one there, and his is the one next door. But I guess I'll be waking up tomorrow on the other side of the little lagoon will be some cows, which will be nice to look at in the morning. But yeah, certainly something different. More rabbits down there. I believe they use this as a fire pit or like a barbecue area. I don't know.
It's a gas line.
Oh, it's got gas on it. How cheeky. So anyway, we're gonna enjoy a couple of cold beverages here at the Mount Everest of Greenland Bubble. And yeah, if we make any funny jokes, I'll try and record them. That's it.
Is that one about the dog?
Oh no, that was naughty. Right. Right, it's now daytime. It's about 6:45 AM. I'm gonna go for a little stroll around the community, see if I can find some coffee. It's empty. There's no one here. All right, let's take a walk around then, shall we? Right then, good morning. It is 8 o'clock, Wednesday, the 20-something of July.
Wait, I'll tell you in a minute.
Where does it say that? Oh, hold on. Where's my phone? Today is the 27th of July. Phil, in several words, sum up the last 15 hours experience at Green Bubble Glamping.
Well, you know, it's a different experience totally, you know. So if you're looking for something different to do of a romantic nature, yeah, it's worth a go. The actual bubble tents themselves, they're really well done. Nice bathroom, nice bedroom, and when they pull the cover back from the bubble, you really do feel like you're completely in the great outdoors. So that's kind of a different experience. So we saw the starry night, and then it rained during the night as well. So it's kind of cool, you know. So definitely, if you're looking for a new and romantic experience, give it a go.
Yeah,
don't go with him.
we had separate units, of course, but no, I'd second that. I think if for a couple, this would be great. Obviously, they are a new company. They've only been around about a year and some months. The service was excellent, though. The guys and girls working there, very polite, very attentive.
Staff were great.
They were really top notch. So well done to those guys and girls out there. We did leave early because they didn't have any coffee this morning, and we both get up early, and what with the rain hitting the bubble thing, so I guess, you know, we woke up pretty early anyway. So we're on the road. We're gonna go and get some breakfast. But yeah, I think it can be recommended, that place. Try it out. It's something totally different, totally unique, and we hope you enjoy it. So if you've enjoyed this video, however, please hit that like, share and subscribe button. That's it from me.
Have a good day. Catch you soon.
And that's it from him. See you later.